Having a custom domain creates invaluable brand consistency. It reinforces your brand, making it easier for customers to remember and return. At the same time, it builds trust between the customers and makes your website look professional. Hi, I'm Sarthak with Teachmore, and in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to connect a custom domain to your Teachmore site. Whenever you create an academy on Teachmore, a subdomain is automatically generated for you, which looks something like this: storytellingwitharif.teachmore.com. Now, if you want to use a custom domain instead of this one, then Teachmore allows you to add a custom domain to your Teachmore site. So let's check out how to add a custom URL to your Teachmore site. The process consists of 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to purchase a domain name. Step 2 is to add custom domain to Teachmore. And step 3 is to add Cname records with your domain registrar. Now, if you already have a domain name, you can skip step 1. But if you want to buy a different domain name, then let's see how you can buy one. To buy a domain name, you need to visit a domain name registrar site. There are plenty of domain registrar available in the market. Few commonly used are GoDaddy, BigRock, Google Domains, and Domains.com. Choosing a domain registrar depends upon their pricing, expiration policies, services provided, transfer policies, and location. But it's ultimately up to you to decide which domain registrar you want to register with. In my case, I am using BigRock to buy my domain, and the process is very similar. You can easily replicate the process with other domain registrars. To buy the domain, I will go to the www.bigrock.in and click on the domains button. I will search for the domain name I want for my academy. It will show all the available domain names with their pricing. Now select the domain you want to buy. Click on the checkout button, then click on continue to checkout. Quick tip: always be careful while you purchase a domain and only buy what you need. For example, here BigRock added 2 add-ons which I don't want, so I will deselect them. Then I will select the duration of your registration. You can register your domain for 1 to 10 years. Once your registration expires, you have to renew it again. I am selecting 1 year. Now click on next. The next step is to sign up. If you already have an account on BigRock, enter your user ID and password to sign in. If you are a new user, then you have to create an account. To create an account, you need to enter your name, mobile number, email address, and password. After adding these details, click on Create Account. The next step is to enter billing details. Here, you need to enter your address. After entering the address, accept the terms and conditions, then click on Continue to Payment. Now, it's time to complete the payment. BigRock support multiple payment methods. You can pay via internet banking, credit card, debit card, or UPI. Once you successfully complete the payment, your domain name will be registered. Once your domain name is registered, log into your BigRock account. Here, you can see your registered domain name. Hooray! You have successfully completed step 1. After purchasing the domain name, the next step is to add it to your Teachmore site. So are you ready? Because I was born ready. Oh, you are also born ready. Then let's do it. To add the custom domain name, log into your Teachmore dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Domains. On this page, you can see your current domain name. To connect the custom domain, click on the New Domain button. Now select Custom Domain. On the next page, enter your domain name and click Done. Your custom domain has been added successfully. Now, you are just one step away from connecting a custom domain to your Teachmore site. All you need to do is add Cname records with your domain registrar. To add a Cname, you need to visit the domain registrar. The process of adding Cname is almost similar with the different domain registrars. I have registered my domain through BigRock, so I will log in to my BigRock account. I will go to my account and click on the domain name. After clicking on the domain name, you have to scroll down to find DNS management. Under that, click on Manage DNS. A new window will pop up. Here, you will get an option for Cname record. click on Add Cname. This will open up the form to add Cname. In this form, you have to enter two things. One is the host name and the second is value. Now, if you want your domain to look like www.storywala.online, then add www in hostname. But if you want a subdomain to look like study.storywala.online, then enter study in hostname. In the value, enter sites.teachmore.com as your subdomain. Click on Add Record. And it's done. You have successfully added a Cname record. Told you, anybody can do it. Okay, don't celebrate just yet because there is one last thing you need to do. After creating the Cname, you need to mail us at support@teachmore.com or live chat and include a screenshot of your DNS settings with your hosting or registrar company. We will verify each and everything and check if everything is in place. Once all this is done, your custom domain name will be ready in next 24 to 48 hours. Now you can celebrate. Happy teaching!